Hi parents! Let's walk through how to monitor your child's exam performance in the Parents Portal. It's simple. To begin, go to the navigation menu and click Exams. This will open the Exams page where you can view all recent exam results for you and your family members. To make navigating easier, use the Action toolbar at the top. The search bar lets you quickly locate specific exams by typing in keywords. In the exam list, you'll see key details including the exam title, subject, and student's name. Let's break down the status column. To do means the exam has been assigned to you or your family member, but it hasn't been started yet. Submitted means it's been turned in. Marked means it's been evaluated by the teacher, with marks and feedback provided. It's tagged completed once you or your child viewed the results already. There is also missed deadline, when an exam is past its due date and submissions are no longer accepted. Want to dive deeper? Select a row to see detailed information about an exam, including your child's responses and how they were graded. If feedback is available, make sure to review it. This can provide valuable insights into areas where your child needs improvement. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.